Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Duolingo and signing into your account. This ensures your progress is saved. Tap your profile icon, then locate the settings gear. On mobile, it's top right. On web, it's under your username. Once in settings, scroll to the languages or learning language section. This is where Duolingo stores your active language. Begin here because changing languages affects course recommendations and streaks. By doing this first, you prevent accidental data loss and keep your learning path neat. Once in the Languages menu, choose Add a new course if the language isn't listed, or hit Change Course for existing ones. Use the search bar to quickly find less common languages. When you find the language, pick Set as Current or Start Course. This swaps your active course. Make sure to confirm any prompts about losing progress in the previous course. Duolingo often keeps your old course in your profile so you can return without losing crowns, but confirming avoids surprises. After selecting the new language, confirm and return to your home screen to verify lesson content has updated. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the app by closing and reopening or refresh the browser tab. Cached data can delay updates. If problems persist, clear the app cache or sign out and back in, and make sure your app is up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: capture a screenshot of any error and contact Duolingo support so they can restore settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.